Hey, this is Andrew from APEC. Today I will introduce 260, the blister cutting machine. You see, this is a ruler, and we have the unique design for the platform for cut the PVC. And if you put the new PVC, here is more easy to connect and easy to remove it. And here is the forming station. Use the cover for protect the operator hurt himself. And here is the vibrator's peel filter, and with the sensor, here is the sensor. If the peel here is too much, and then the vibrator will stop automatically. And if the peel is empty, then the vibrator will working again. So this is the filter. And here is the sealing station. The sealing station, you see, is the cylinder, and here is the air glue. After the sealing, he used this air glue. We can let the blister cool very faster. And here is the embossing. Embossing solution. Let's put the date and the bit number. Here is the cutting station. And you see, we here also have this small design with the holder here and here. If the blister too heavy, this holder can hold the blister, let the blister not go down. It can move more stable. And here is the shift motor, can drive the blister from back to front. And you see here is the screw. Is the screw, but on the two sides there is the linear. We can make this device running very stable. And here is the clamp the blister when he moving. But you see here is also very unique design. Use this design, we have the vacuum. Vacuum can shock this blister, because some blister, if too light, he will jump to this cutting station. So we use this device to can push the blister come down. After cutting can come down, too deep can come out very smoothly. And here we also have the emergency button, and also have the stop and the on the button. Easy to operation, because this machine is really too long. So you see this whole machine's design is very simple, very easy to operate.